my mind. All I hear is music, watching your mouth move. Damn, you look stupid. I feel like.
Hey guys, welcome back. The most awaited reactions here, music videos, right? That you love the most. You have been telling me in the comments this and that, do it, do it. One of the songs was Katte Chembagam, and you guys are telling me justice for Katte Chembagam. So we're gonna give justice for all of you. And the other one is Durandar, the Revenge movie, part 2, right? Ari Ari song. So the first one that we're gonna go for is Ari Ari. It's trending on number 2 on music trending charts. Not surprised, right? It's Durandar, and the music is always good. Get ready to witness the sound of revenge, presenting Ari Ari, the powerful new track from hashtag Durandar, the Revenge. With electrifying music, intense energy, and commanding vocals, this track brings the spirit of revenge alive like never before. Oh, it's getting you to be in the revenge mode. Got it. Listen now and feel the unstoppable energy of Ari Ari. This is gonna be fucking fire, I'm sure. What else? An Aditya Dar film. Durandar, The Revenge, written, directed, and produced by Aditya Dar. The other producers would be Jyoti Deshpande and Lokesh Dar. Cast: Ranveer Singh, Sanjay Dutt, R. Madhavan, Arjun Rampal, Sara Arjun. Song name Durandar. Music Durandar, The Revenge, Ari Ari. Song's name is pretty huge. I wish they just named it Ari Ari, but okay, whatever. Music is by Sachdev, produced and arranged by him itself. Vocals is by Navtej Singh Rehal, Bombay Rockers. Okay, there's a lot of people. Let's just go for it. I'm tired reading on this. It's too much information. Captions are on and go. Bloody, bloody look. Headshot होगा. ये ट्रेलर भी था. This background score. Punjabi है ना language. There's a firecracker in this. Blast. You make me a sinner. Running a casino. Look at the acting. God. The actions in this does make you feel that. Ari, Ari, Ari. Beast mode on. Oh, again. Oh my god! Durandar! That's the feeling this video gives you. I was a little lazy to read all of the captions, लेकिन जो visuals था उससे ध्यान ही नहीं हट रहा था because it was so good. Firstly, the bloody outlook. Of course, Durandar has the vibe of revenge, and it was totally giving onto that. People with a lot of knives, equipments that would, smash their heads or blast some cars. It was totally Durandar. The vibes, Ari, 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 वो तो आ रहा था, and he's coming back with a new set of revenges, hoping new people And he was like, I'm doing it for the people. I'm not a sinner. This is justice, and it has to be served one way or the other. So I don't know if you are promoting violence. I'm not promoting violence one bit, but it's just a movie. So let's have fun watching it. Music was absolutely lit. The Punjabi slow mix with the rap that, look out for your head because there's a headshot coming from somewhere or the other. You always have to be guarded. Superb. Absolutely enjoyable. Let's just read the comments and end this. Toxic daddy's home. धुरंधर घर पे ही रहो बेटे क्योंकि घर पे भी कुस्की मार सकते हैं यार. That's the vibe of Dhurandhar. You can't escape. It's revenge, and revenge like never before, we can say. Because if he has a target set, his notebook where he writes names, you're gone. Ladies and gentlemen, you're still not ready for this. I don't think we are. And just highly anticipated movie with a lot of excitement indeed. Ranveer will never forget Aditya Dar in his whole life. What a comeback he has given to him. Aditya Dar, you are the best. I agree with that because it's probably one of his best films yet, right? A lot of collection made and success to the clouds. He would never forget this. My father raised me a winner. If I kill for my people, it don't make me a sinner. The rap line that even I pointed out, it was a great line. And there's no win without a sinner. So you gotta do what you gotta do, guys. Shashwat Sachdev, bro, your music gave the trailer a whole new level of hype. Yeah, even when I was watching the trailer, the music definitely did stand out. Ari, Ari, Ari. It's catchy for sure. Undoubtedly, you would be banging your head on this. What a banger. Listening on headphones itself giving goosebumps. Yeah, wait for it to come in the theaters. That time the music would amplify and it's gonna be a great vibe. Let me give you guys some justice with the next song. It's gonna be Katti Champakam video song. Palli Chatambi, I think is the movie's name. Let's read the description. God, there's a lot written. Song composed, arranged and produced by Jakes Bijoy. Lyrics Kaitapram. Singers Vishal Mishra and Avani Malhar. Guitars Anurag, flute Nikhil. The actor's name, the cast is not well written in the description. I'll just get it from the title. Tuvino and Kayadu. Director is Diju Juice Anthony. Producers Naufal and Brijesh. Writer S. Suresh Babu. Not even heard of this movie and we have not checked out its trailer or teaser. Not sure which movie this is. Let's just go for it anyways. Okay. Ready? Kerala vibes. Peaceful. It's a love song. I'm trapped.
എന്നുവരെ കണ്ടതില്ല ഞാൻ ഒന്നുരുക്കി വെച്ച പെൺമുഖം വെണ്ണിലെന്നും വന്ന മണ്ണിൽ കൊട്ടു ചേർന്ന പെണ്ണിവൾ കണ്ണിവൾ.
Oh, she looks pretty. What a shot! Beautiful. This is the coolest. The look is very old school though. The way she's dressed, the flowers on the ears. And look at her hairstyle. This shot is like stunning. The rain shots, man. Giving the feels. This actress's name?
பொழியன பகலே காத்து செம்பகம் பூத்தோட்டே நாட்டு தத்தம்மா கேட்டோட்டே
I'm just lost now. In her eyes. Her eyes is very pretty. There's no audience, it's just them having a good time. Ah, it looks really romantic. All the faces. That's enough torture after a breakup for me. I should say that the song was definitely beautiful. The build up and the pre chorus was just very smooth, and when the chorus hits you, a little upbeat but also very soulful singing on this one. The entire location and them together, the chemistry, the rain shots, it all adds up to the whole experience. Love is definitely at the peak here, that I'm a little jealous. But it feels good listening to it, so I'm satisfied. It's a good watch. Their outfits, the innocent love that they were displaying, the flowers in the ears, it kind of gives out that they're going for a different time period back in the day, and their vibes definitely match that. Let me just read the comments and then we can end this. YouTube during normal days, the crying emoji. YouTube during exam days, the fire emoji. The students, they definitely want to tune into this and not study at all. I can see why. Because romance is blooming. Don't get distracted. Damn, international level item is just so beautiful. The nature has been portrayed well. The cinematography has not been compromised. They all just are shining on that. The characters in love, who doesn't love, right? Pandate jewelry ad bolundi line, but super. I told you as well. It is giving out a old school vibe, but in a good way. I hope you guys enjoyed these two music videos. If you did, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit on that bell icon, and I'll see you on the next one. Probably a fight scene, because we have not done that in some time. So let's bring that back and see ya.
No filter, I got no filter, no filter.